Hi guys, welcome back to Florida Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to use my DREO ChefMaker again to try out a recipe that I've always made in the oven. Salmon with a brown sugar and Cajun seasoning. Let's go. Alright, we're going to open up our salmon here and get it seasoned. Alright, I'm going to do a mixture of Cajun seasoning and brown sugar. So I'm getting probably half a cup of brown sugar here. And then I'm going to sprinkle in a good amount, probably 2 big tablespoons of the cayenne or the Cajun seasoning here. And I'm just going to use my fork to kind of stir that up and get it all mixed together. Alright, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle our seasoning over the top. My husband ended up buying a skinless salmon, so we're going to season both sides of this. Normally I buy the skin on because I like the crispy skin, but this will be really good with seasoning on both sides. So we'll just kind of evenly spread this out like that. Flip it. I'm making a giant mess. And we'll just kind of use the rest on the front. And now I'm going to cut my salmon into steaks, kind of all roughly the same size. This is just going to help them cook a little bit faster and a little more evenly. Now I am going to put this in the DREO that I just got, but you can absolutely cook salmon in the oven, bake it for, I don't know, 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees or until it's 145 in the middle. You can even go a little lower if it's really good quality salmon. But I want to try out my DREO. I've always made it in the oven and it turns out beautiful. So we're going to pull out our DREO and I'm going to see what I have room for, but I'm going to stick the probe in the thickest part of my salmon. So probably right through here. Okay, then I'm going to attach my probe. Make sure my salmon is laid out flat. And now the easy part, we're just going to stick this in our machine. Go to chef mode, seafood, salmon steak. Follow the directions, make sure the probe is in the thickest part of the food. It's at least halfway into the meat. Skin side up if you have it, I don't. And that's it. So we're going to hit play. And make sure that you have water in the water tank for this recipe, which I do. It says it is achieving doneness. It'll take about 28 minutes. So all I have to do is just set it and forget it. All right, the DREO says our salmon is done. Oh, look at that. It looks so good. All right, all that's left to do is plate this up. I last minute thought of making rice, so that's why I'm using this pre-made rice. Don't judge me. It's really handy. It just doesn't taste quite as good, in my opinion. But we're gonna flip that out into our dish and kind of break it up a little bit. I also heated up some edamame. And then we're going to try and carefully remove our salmon from the DREO. Now what I love about this is that I don't see any of those like white proteins that come out when you bake salmon sometimes when it gets a little too hot. The DREO is supposed to really keep it from doing that because it keeps it at a really even temperature throughout. So we're going to see if it tastes as good as it looks, but I think this was a success. Again, you can do this in the oven. This was such a super quick, easy, delicious dinner. I love the seasoning mix. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.